another 100 Mondays.
Today, we have a lot of great artists talking about their work. We have Gabe Paisley.
Hello, and welcome to 100 Mondays. My name is Gabe Paisley, and I am an artist with Art Mama Moves. Today, the image that I have selected to share with you is called the African Nativity. It was captured in Sierra Leone, West Africa. I traveled there after finding out that my DNA ancestry was from Sierra Leone, West Africa. It's one of my more popular images around the holidays. If you would like to take a look at it up front and close, as well as my other work, I would encourage you to look at or go to www.artmamamoves.com. And thank you so much for supporting artists.